The My Art workspace provides a powerful and user-friendly function for uploading your graphics files as well as storing and sharing them. All of the files are safely and securely stored in the cloud, and anyone on your team can access the files. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a typical upload here. I'm going to go to Image Previews. I took the same graphics file and converted it into a variety of formats so you can see what it looks like when I upload different formats to GraphicsFlow. In this particular folder, we have Adobe Illustrator files, there's a Corel file, there's a JPEG file, a DST embroidery file, a PNG file, EPS file, PDF file, even a Photoshop file. When you upload files to GraphicsFlow, GraphicsFlow is processing these files. So it's actually creating an image preview in high resolution for every file. So if I go to this Adobe Illustrator file, I can see a full resolution preview. I can assign the decoration method to the file, any dimensions. I can go in and assign colors. If I want to add a color, all I really need is to put a color name in here, and then I can enter RGB or hex values to precisely match a color. I have all the details of the file, so I know the file size, dimensions, when it was created, when it was modified. Now, once I have files uploaded, what I can do is I can change views here to list view, and I can select individual files or a group of files, and I can assign keyword tags. So I'm going to go over here to Actions. I'm going to say Edit Tags. I can put in any tag I want in the little tag box. I can delete tags. And once those files are tagged, it allows me to search for the file by those keywords within GraphicsFlow. So I can search by the file name, but now I have more latitude in terms of searching for the files. If I want to see all the files associated with Panthers, I can just type in Panther. There's all my Panther files. If I want to download this file, I just go to the three dots button here, and then I can download the original art. If I want to share this file or share a group of files, all I need to do is add them to an art approval. I can just select an art approval or create one, add the files, and now I have the ability to curate files from my system that I upload, put them into groups by subject matter, tag them, and share them with customers. And this is a great way to get ideas in front of your customers so they're not having to go online and pick out random files from the internet, screen grab them, send them to you, so you have to forensically recreate the artwork from a screen grab. You can create curated collections of your own artwork, get them in front of your customers so you can collaborate with them without having to create custom graphics. In GraphicsFlow, I can upload either individual files, or I can upload a folder of files, or I can create a new folder and upload into that folder. I'm going to upload a folder, and this is a group of files that I created. They're in a variety of formats, so I'm going to click on Upload. These files are being processed. A high-resolution image preview is being created, and the entire folder is being uploaded into GraphicsFlow. Here's all the uploaded files in a variety of formats. To view the full resolution preview of the file, all I need to do is just click on the file. If I upload a DST embroidery file, we're going to be able to take that DST file, render it, and display a 2D rendering of that file. Now, one thing important to note, DST files don't contain color data, so we're assigning colors to every color change within the graphic. In the My Art section, you also have other options. So if you want to go into the file, and let's say you want to move a file, you can move a file, you can rename the file, you can select files, but you can also delete a file. And so if I go over here and delete this file, it's going to go into my deleted files section. If I want to restore the file, I can just click on Recover File. If I want to permanently delete the file, I can click on Permanently Delete. I'm going to recover this file and put it back into its original position. So one important thing to recognize about the My Art function, unlike generic platforms like Dropbox or Google Drive, we created an art storage function that's tailored to the needs of a decorator. There's two basic use cases for the My Art section. Use case number one is safely and securely storing your artwork so everyone on your team can access the files and download them. But use case number two is curating artwork from your own graphics collections, uploading those files, and giving you the ability to add these files to an art approval to get ideas in front of your customers.